So what's the difference between separation and divorce? Devin Slovensky, Virginia family law attorney. So after years of marriage, many couples reach a point where they know something has changed, but they're not always sure what comes next. Some people say they're legally separated and others say they're getting divorced. In Virginia, those two ideas are not the same thing. And understanding the difference can help you avoid confusion and make better decisions going forward. One of the biggest misconceptions in Virginia is that we have a formal legal separation process like other states. We don't. In Virginia, there's no single court filing that officially makes you legally separated. Instead, separation in Virginia usually begins when parties start living separate and apart with the intention to permanently end the marriage. The separation period is often required before a no-fault divorce can be finalized. And for some couples, that separation is going to last 6 months. For others, it's going to be a year, depending on factors like whether there are minor children and whether there's a signed separation agreement. Divorce, on the other hand, is the actual final legal termination of the marriage. Once a divorce is finalized, the marriage is just done. Property division, custody, support, and other issues are formally resolved through the court system. At that point, both people can again legally remarry if they want or just stay single. During the separation, however, you are still legally married. That distinction matters more than many people realize. Separation can affect finances, property rights, dating, taxes, insurance, and parenting arrangements. It can also become emotionally complicated when one spouse thinks that this separation is temporary and the other one thinks it's the beginning of a divorce. There are also situations where couples remain separated for long periods without ever finalizing a divorce. Sometimes that's because of finances. Sometimes it's because of health insurance or retirement benefits. And sometimes people are just really not ready to fully close that chapter of their lives. The important thing is understanding that separation and divorce serve different purposes, and the right path depends on your goals, your family, and your circumstances. At Slovensky Law, we help people throughout Virginia understand their options clearly so they can make informed decisions after separation, divorce, custody, and what comes next. If you have questions about your situation, we're here to help you.